We got a call from David, who recently got pre-approved by 2 other banks for $750,000. The thing is, he wants to buy a house in the $1 million price range, not the $750,000 price range. The problem is, he's self-employed and only shows enough income on his taxes to qualify for $750,000 according to traditional guidelines. So today we're going to break down his scenario and we're going to see if he could qualify for the $1 million price range he needs to buy the kind of house he really wants. Now let's see if we could help. Hey, how you doing? Al Rivera here, and welcome to another episode of Al the Loan Guy. In today's episode, we're going to see if we could help David qualify to buy in the $1 million price range, even though he doesn't show enough income on his taxes, and even though 2 other banks told him that his maximum was only $750,000. Today, we're going to break down his scenario, we're going to go over his challenges, and we're going to see if we could help him qualify for the $1 million price range he wants versus the $750,000 price range the other banks qualified him for. So when we got the call from David, first we wanted to break down his scenario and see what he was working with. Now he currently has a 750 credit score. He has over $350,000 saved up, and he files his taxes for his business. The problem is, he isn't finding any houses that he likes in the $750,000 price range. And he doesn't show enough income on his taxes to qualify for more than $750,000. The question is, how could we help him qualify for the $1 million price range that he really wants? So how would we solve this? How could we help him qualify to buy a house in the $1 million price range that he really wants? The good news is, we have a loan program designed for customers just like him, where we don't have to verify his income or verify his employment. Now, the minimum credit score requirement for this program is only 640, which he has that. This program only needs 20% down, which he has that too. And because his credit score is above 740, we only need 3 months of reserves. So when we put this scenario together, he had a 750 credit score, and we only needed a 640. He has the 20% to put down, which on a $1 million house was $200,000. And he had enough left over in his bank to cover his reserves and closing costs. So, was he able to qualify for the $1 million price range, even though 2 other banks told him it wasn't possible? Yes, and here's the best part. He was able to qualify for $250,000 more. Plus, he was able to get an interest-only payment, which gave him an even lower payment than he thought was possible. So if you or someone you know wants to qualify for more, so that you could buy the house you really want, or maybe you just want a second opinion, we could help. Call or text me with your scenario, and let's get you qualified today. I'm Al the Loan Guy. You have a great day.